let's learn how you can put a reminders widget on lock screen on iPhone. So first step you want to do is to lock the phone and then go and unlock it with your Face ID, but don't swipe up to open it. Instead, you want to hold it, and as you can see here, a menu will pop up. You want to click on this customize and then click on lock screen. Now you want to find this area right here. That's for the widgets. So what you want to do is to scroll now, and you will find here reminder widget. You want to tap on it or hold, and as you can see here, we have added a reminders widget. You want to click on done when you're finished with editing, and they are right here. If you click on it, it will open our application. You can just set up here whatever you want, and that's it. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.